Can you guys cut out the part where I said that I was really confident?
Today on Taste Test, we're trying to match the pizza to the chain, and I'm feeling pretty good about this.
I'm feeling a little bit nervous about how well I'll do.
It was always like the best night when your parents gave up and decided that you could order pizza.
Right off the bat, just by feeling it,
Yes.
it feels like Domino's to me.
I was gonna say the exact same thing.
Okay, but I think I can tell by the smell. No, I can't find it.
Oh, you know what though?
Yeah.
It's got up more of a Papa John's smell to it.
I think I know which one it is, but I'm not positive, but I think it's
Papa John's?
Pizza Hut.
Oh.
Right away, I'm gonna eliminate Pizza Hut. It's
Definitely
not
not
Pizza Hut. You can tell by the crust.
I think it's Pizza Hut.
I think it's Papa John's.
But I think it's Domino's.
I think it's Domino's.
Wrong.
No.
This is Papa John's.
I knew it!
You should have stayed with your gut.
Trusted my gut.
Vivian, you're correct. It's Papa John's.
It's very pecorino-y.
Smells like it's heavy on the mozz.
I don't think this is Domino's.
I don't think I've ever eaten this before.
I've definitely never had this pizza before.
CC's.
Fake garlic. Really?
I don't know.
I'm gonna say CC's.
I think I'm gonna say Little Caesars.
You're both wrong.
Great. Fantastic.
It's Pizza Hut.
No, it's not.
Come on.
This is Pizza Hut.
All right, I'll go with Pizza Hut too.
You got it. It's Pizza Hut.
Yay! I've eaten Pizza Hut upwards of 75 times in my life. I think I've only ever had thin crust because thin crust is the only way you can order Pizza Hut. This not thin crust is gross.
Preach.
Squishy crust. A lot of semolina. Domino's loves semolina.
I think it's Domino's.
I'm gonna say it's Domino's.
This is Domino's. 100% Domino's. Come at me. If this isn't Domino's, I'm gonna flip the table over.
Little Caesars. I'm gonna keep guessing Little Caesars until I get it right.
I'm leaving.
Zach, you're right. It's Domino's.
Yay!
You're right. It's Domino's.
This one's hard.
Little Caesars.
This tastes like one of those ones that you would find that you would make at home, you know? Heat up in the oven.
Like the giorno?
Yeah, but this is delivery. I think it's gonna be Little Caesars,
Let's go with Little Caesars.
right?
I think this is Little Caesars.
Sure.
You're right. It's Little.
Yay!
You got it. It's Little Caesars.
Right off the bat, I'm gonna say that this is Sbarro's because of how large this piece of pizza is.
Oh, this is a big slice.
Oh, I know what this is.
This is
This is Sbarro.
This is Sbarro for sure.
I mean, like-
it's like monster.
I've only ever had Sbarro's at the airport.
I've only ever had it at the mall. This is good.
Oh.
Sbarro's.
Sbarro.
You got it. Sabaro.
Woo!
Sabaro.
I'm so mad.
I feel tricked
I did
about the
not
Pizza Hut.
go with my gut for Papa John's.
I think it went really well. I think it was a group effort.
Yes,
you
definitely.
assisted me, I assisted you.
Pizza Hut, Domino's, and Papa John's all tasted kind of similar.
All sweet sauce, some kind
very
of
sweet sauce.
cheese, and some kind of like garlic powder. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Food Network to see more taste tests.